Welcome back to the library, Miss Naranjo's third grade class. Let's review what we covered the last time we met. Can someone tell me what a legacy is? That's right, legacy is the story of a person's life and how they are remembered. Today we're going to start our own research, just like we practiced last time. So let's get started. Go ahead and open your Chromebook, log into Google, and go to our Google Classroom. That's where I am right now on my screen. And remember that all of our Legacy Project resources are found on the Google Classroom. Go ahead and click on that About tab at the top. And since you already have the Legacy project notes in front of you and a pencil, we're going to go straight into the research. So let's click on our third grade website down under Social Studies where we find our famous Oklahomans. And here you're going to choose one of these 24 Oklahomans to research. Remember that you're going to be looking for at least 3 important or interesting facts about the person whom you're researching. And for now, be sure to write down the author and the name of the article that you use for your research and your bibliography. And we'll continue to work on your bibliography with the complete references when you create your project. Mrs. Naranjo and I will walk around the room and offer our assistance to anyone who needs it. I'm going to go ahead and pause while we do our research. Okay, now that you've had about 30 minutes to do your own research on your famous Oklahoman, we're going to go ahead and stop for the day. I'd like for you to make sure that your name is on your paper and you're going to hand those in so that we have them for our next research session together. You're going to have an additional time to research, so don't worry if you're not completely done. I'm also going to show you next time an example of what a final legacy project will look like based on the research we did together last time on Will Rogers.